Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix if your YouTube videos are not playing or if you are stuck on black screen. So now to do that, you just have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then go ahead to your settings, select general, then select device management and VPN. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN from here, or if you are connected, try to disconnect your VPN and then try again. If you are still having the same issue, so it might be that there will be any software update available on your YouTube app. Open up your app store, go for search. You have to simply search for YouTube, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available, or if you have any update, try to update your YouTube app. Once you have updated it, almost fix your issue. Or if you're still having the same issues now, what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, and this time go for the general section again, go for iPhone storage, look for YouTube, and once you get the YouTube app, you have to try to offload your app. Tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again. It will fix if there will be any bug into your YouTube app. Once your app has been offloaded, you have to tap on reinstall app, and after that you can easily use your YouTube app without any issues. In this way you can fix all the bugs in the YouTube. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.